You know, life's gotten so much sweeter lately. We've slowed down, stopped rushing, and really focused on what matters the most. It's just us, this beautiful garden, and these peaceful moments. Whether we're lounging in the hammock or tending to the garden, there's this quiet joy in the simplicity. There's no chaos, no distractions. It's just serenity of being present and enjoying the small things. I'm so grateful for this space that we've created. And it's not about having it all. It's about appreciating the little pieces that makes life beautiful. Here's to peace, love, and the simple pleasures. Because life doesn't need to be complicated to be perfect.